Today we will be performing a physical short experiment which is given in your handbook, board's handbook on page number 13, experiment number 3, to study the effect of concentration on the rate of reaction between sodium thiosulfate and hydrochloric acid. Let us have a look on requirement. We should have HCl solution whose molarity should be 1 molar HCl solution. This 1 molar HCl solution have to be filled in this burette. So first I will fill this burette with the help of 1 molar HCl solution. This is burette containing 1 molar HCl solution. Now same way we will fill this burette with distilled water . And last burette will be filled with the help of sodium thiosulfate. So now we have 3 different burette, distinct burette. First burette is filled with 1 molar HCl solution. Second burette contains distilled water, and third burette contains sodium thiosulfate solution, Na2S2O3 solution. We are going to take 4 readings in 4 different containers labeled as A, B, C and D. So let us begin with the first reading, A. In reading A, we are going to take 20 ml of sodium thiosulfate solution, 28 ml of water and 2 ml of HCl. So first I start with 20 ml of sodium thiosulfate, Na2S2O3. But before starting with this, what should I do? Let me take a paper, and on this paper let me mark this with the help of a pencil, a cross mark like this, and I shall place this container like this. and I have to observe this container from the top. This cross mark is visible. First, I am taking 20 ml of sodium thiosulfate. So, sodium thiosulfate, I will first take 20 ml. I will start from 0 and I will take 20 ml. I am taking 20 ml with the help of this burette. So I have taken 20 ml of sodium thiosulfate. Now to this I will be adding 28 ml of distilled water. In the same container I am adding 28 ml of distilled water. So let me begin from here. I have taken 28 ml. I will place this piece of paper on which I have drawn a circle consisting of cross mark, and I will place this container on cross mark. Now this cross mark is visible when I see this solution from top. Now I will take 2 ml of HCl. In a test tube, I will take 2 ml. Two ml of test tube has been taken in this test tube, and I have to record now time. So I have a stopwatch with me. This stopwatch has got two arms, one left arm and one right arm. With the help of this right side arm, I can set this clock into motion. You can see the arm of this clock is moving, and whenever I want to stop it, I will press this. Has gone to reset. So to avoid this mistake, always remember left hand side arm is for resetting the clock. To start and to stop the clock, we will be always using right hand side arm. Now I have resetted this. Now let me start it again. I have started this again, and you can see the watch is in motion, correct? Now when my reading gets over, what I have to do to stop this, the same arm has to be pressed down, and see right. Now how much time it has recorded? So it starts from here: 0, 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55 and 60. So when this rotates and takes one round, it amounts to 1 minute, that is 60 seconds. Now while recording time, you have to be extremely careful. This is a analog model. Nowadays in the market, even we have digital model of watches. This watch is somewhat similar to stopwatch which you have nowadays in your smartphones. So now I begin with the experiment. We have taken 20 ml of sodium thiosulfate. To that I have added 28 ml of water, and in this test tube I have taken 2 ml of HCl. Now the moment I add HCl, I have to start this stopwatch. I am adding and I have started stopwatch. And I will observe now the reaction which is happening in this container. As time passes, this clear and transparent solution will start becoming turbid due to formation of colloidal sulfur, and the mark, the cross mark which was distinctly seen, will become invisible. Slowly with the formation of colloidal sulfur, this cross mark will become fade, and the moment solution becomes very turbid, this mark will not be visible. So when this mark becomes invisible, I will stop the stopwatch and I will record the time taken. You can see, student, now the solution has started becoming turbid, and as the time passes it will become more and more turbid, and after some time these marks will disappear. Now the lines are fading. You can see the cross lines are becoming fade as the time passes due to formation of more and more colloidal sulfur due to reaction between sodium thiosulfate and HCl. And see the line has disappeared. So I will say that the reaction has gone to completion. Now I have stopped this stopwatch and I am recording time. You can see the big arm is on 25 and this small arm has covered 4, means 4 minutes and 25 seconds time was taken for this reading when we have mixed 20 ml of sodium thiosulfate solution with 28 ml of water and 2 ml of 1 molar HCl. The total reactant mixture volume amounts to 28 plus 2, 30 and plus 20, 50 ml. So the effective concentration of sodium thiosulfate in this solution is 0.04 molar. Now I will reset it. As I said, how we are resetting, I will press this left hand side arm and you will see that the watch is once again reset. Now we will go for the second set of reading. So now I am preparing second reading. I have taken container B. Now in container B, we have to take 30 ml of sodium thiosulfate, 18 ml of water and 2 ml of HCl. So friends, now I am taking 30 ml of sodium thiosulfate solution. I am starting this with 20, so I will burette it out when it reaches 50. We are taking 30 ml of sodium thiosulfate. Now after taking 30 ml of sodium thiosulfate solution, to this we are mixing 18 ml of water. I will take 18 ml of water from here. I have added 18 ml of water, and now I shall add 2 ml of HCl. In the first case also we had taken 2 ml. In the second case also we are adding only 2 ml. Now I have already resetted this watch. Now I will add and I will start this stopwatch. We will see from top of this container the cross mark which was made by pen will become vivid due to formation of colloidal sulfur in the container. The solution will start becoming turbid, and with increase in turbidity of solution the mark will become invisible. The moment that mark disappears, we will stop the stopwatch and we will record the time. As it is clearly visible, the mark is becoming faded. Slowly, the solution will become more turbid and that cross mark is disappeared. Now I will stop the stopwatch and I will record the time taken. So you can see from here the time taken is around 2 minutes and 3 seconds. So for set B, lesser time is taken as compared to set A, because in set A the quantity of water was 28 ml, so solution was more dilute. Now in set B, since we have added less amount of water, solution was little concentrated, that is by addition of 18 ml of water to 30 ml of sodium thiosulfate solution, resultant molarity turns out to be 0.06 molar and time taken is little less as compared to previous reading, where we had taken 20 ml of sodium thiosulfate, 28 ml of water and 2 ml of HCl. Now see, in both this set, total amount of the reactant remains same, that is 50. Now in the same fashion we will proceed with the next part, that is part C. So for part C, now we are taking 40 ml of sodium thiosulfate and we are adding still lesser amount of water, that is 8 ml, and then we will be adding 2 ml of 1 molar HCl, and once again we will record the time for this third reading. So I am taking third reading by taking 40 ml of sodium thiosulfate solution. Taking 40 ml of sodium thiosulfate solution with the help of this burette. This is 40 ml. Yes, this is 40 ml Now to this I will be adding 8 ml of water. 8 ml of water. Adding 8 ml of distilled water. So this is 40 plus 8, 48, and to this I shall add 2 ml of HCl. Now once again resetted the watch, and now I am adding 2 ml of HCl and I will start the stopwatch. Now again, as time passes, the sodium thiosulfate will react with HCl and it will produce colloidal sulfur, thus by making this solution colloidal, and the solution will become turbid, which will result in disappearance of that mark which was distinctly visible from top of the container. The solution has started turning turbid, and the cross mark is becoming faint, and slowly it will become invisible. And you can see now it has turned invisible. I will stop the watch and I will record the time taken for completion. This amounts to 2 minutes and 30 seconds. The solution has turned turbid. Now in the same fashion, now we will be taking the last set, that is set D of the reading, where I will be taking 50 ml of sodium thiosulfate. I will not add water, and to 50 ml of sodium thiosulfate I will add 2 ml of 1 molar HCl. Now friends, as per the textbook, 50 ml has to be taken, but I suppose there must be some query in this. Since the total volume have to be 50 ml and since we are taking 2 ml of HCl, the amount of sodium thiosulfate which would have been taken should be 48 ml. So I am taking 48 ml of sodium thiosulfate . 48 ml of sodium thiosulfate when mixed with 2 ml HCl will still take lesser time for production of colloidal sulfur, and reaction will go to completion or merely completion in lesser time as compared to earlier 3 readings. So here we have taken the specified quantity of sodium thiosulfate as per the handbook, and to that I will be adding 2 ml of HCl. Once again I am resetting the clock and I am starting the stopwatch by adding 2 ml of HCl to sodium thiosulfate solution. And as the time passes, once again we will observe this cross mark from top of the container. The solution will start becoming turbid and this cross mark will slowly become invisible. You can see the mark has become invisible now. I will stop this stopwatch and I will record the reading. So the reading is 1 minute and 16 seconds. Now, friends, we have taken 4 readings. In the first case, we had taken 0.1 molar sodium thiosulfate 20 ml. To that we have added 28 ml of distilled water and we had added 2 ml of 1 molar HCl. The resultant molarity was 0.04 molar. Similarly, for the set B, second reading, 30 ml sodium thiosulfate, 18 ml water and 2 ml HCl. Total, this will be 30 plus 18 plus 2, 50 ml. Total resultant molarity will be 0.06 molar. Set C consists of 40 ml sodium thiosulfate, 8 ml of water and 2 ml of 1 molar HCl. Total volume again 50 ml. Resultant molarity is 0.08 molar. And in set D, the resultant molarity has been shown as 0.1 molar. Now, the time which was recorded for all these 4 readings will be converted in terms of second, and then we will find out 1 by t, 1 upon time in second. And finally, we will be plotting a graph of 1 by t against concentration of sodium thiosulfate solution. And from nature of the graph, we will predict the order of this reaction.